Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. The Senate Banking Committee has released the final 309-page draft of the Clarity Act ahead of its scheduled markup vote on May 14th. This comprehensive crypto regulation bill establishes clear frameworks for digital assets, stablecoins, and intermediaries. The legislation treats Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities, protects staking activities, and gives banks statutory authority to offer crypto services. However, two major issues remain unresolved. Democrats are demanding ethics language preventing public officials from profiting from crypto ventures while in office. Banks are pushing back against compromise language on stablecoin rewards, warning that crypto platforms could drain traditional deposits. The White House is targeting July 4th for final passage. Bitcoin is trading around $80,600 this morning, with Ethereum at $22.85, Solana at $95, and XRP holding near $145. Crypto investment products extended their winning streak to 6 consecutive weeks with $858 million in inflows. Bitcoin funds captured $706 million, while short Bitcoin products saw their largest outflows of the year at $14 million. Circle achieved a major milestone by raising $222 million in a token presale for its Arc blockchain at a $3 billion valuation. Andreessen Horowitz led with $75 million, joined by BlackRock and Apollo. The company reported USDC circulation grew 28% to $77 billion, with transaction volume surging 263%. Circle stock jumped 16% to $131.76. Ripple secured a $200 million funding facility from Neuberger Berman to expand margin financing for Ripple Prime, its institutional brokerage platform. Revenue has tripled year over year since acquiring Hidden Road in 2025. Physical attacks on crypto holders have escalated dramatically. Blockchain security firm Certicay reports that wrench attacks resulted in over $100 million in losses in just the first 4 months of this year. France accounts for 82% of verified cases. 3 Tennessee men were federally indicted for a violent crypto robbery spree, including a $10 million Bitcoin and $3 million Ethereum theft at gunpoint in San Francisco. Solana's historic Alpenglow consensus upgrade has entered community testing. This represents the biggest consensus overhaul in Solana's history, designed to cut transaction finality from several seconds to near real-time speeds. The upgrade could reach mainnet as soon as third quarter 2026 if testing proceeds smoothly. OpenAI launched the OpenAI Deployment Company, a new subsidiary designed to embed specialized engineers inside enterprises. The venture secured over $4 billion in committed capital at a $10 billion valuation, backed by TPG, Goldman Sachs, and SoftBank. Morgan Stanley is launching crypto trading on its E-Trade platform with a 50 basis point fee, undercutting Coinbase, Robinhood, and Schwab. While some analysts warn this represents an existential threat to crypto exchanges, industry leaders argue that global platforms have diversified beyond fee-based models into derivatives, staking, and institutional services. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.